a straight punch, right, I'm going to duck underneath. So, right, you already see the footwork, right? So as he comes in, right, I'm going to go here. And I make contact, I take out all the slack. So I don't stay back here, he feels pressure. Now he would have hit me with his body, right, I'm here. So I'm going to go here, right, and you can actually stop here and work this. I'm going to extend my fingers, right? I'm going to extend my fingers. I'm going to turn my fingers. And when I turn my fingers, I'm going to touch that rubber hose over there. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to do this, right? So all I'm going to do is this. That's all I'm going to do. So it's a shearing action, right? So he can be strong, right? He can be strong. Don't let me do it. Right? He's strong. I can't. I'm trying to move my arm, right? But I disregard. So it's just here. This is all I'm doing. So now, as he comes in, right? I do this in one action. So there's no stop. So as I make contact, he does. That's one. So he comes with the straight punch, right? I pick up, right? So I can come here, now I have his arm, right? I can come over, now I have his arm. So you can try this one too, so you can try joint lock. So again, here, right? The typical way, classic way of attacking the joint is I create a fulcrum and I do this, right? But we're not going to do that. This hand is just going to go this way. So this hand starts going towards Laura. The fingers pointed Laura. Everything's locked, right? Everything's done with an action with my body that's very strong. So you look. This is all I'm holding with, right? I'm not holding here. I don't have to. He can try to pull his arm out. He can't pull his arm out. All I do is extend a little more, right? If I'm under here, it's the same thing, right? So I come here and I lift, right? If I want, then I can. Right? So if I want to